Disablement. In this there are two types, partial and total. So disablement means to deprive of some ability. The act does not define the word disablement, it only defines the partial and total disablement. Disablement is a loss of earning capacity which, depending on the nature of injury and percentage of loss of earning capacity, so it can be a partial or a total. The Act classifies disablement into two categories, namely the partial disablement and total disablement. So, in partial, there is a temporary and permanent. In total, also, there is a temporary and permanent. Question is asked on what is the partial disablement. So, it is according to section 2, clause 1, clause G. So, where the disablement is of a temporary nature. So, in disablement, there are two types, partial and total. So, in this, first we are going to see the partial disablement, in that which is a temporary nature. So such disablement as reduces the earning capacity of an employee in any employment in which he was engaged at the time of accident resulting in the disablement, and where the disablement is of a permanent nature. So such disablement as reduces his earning capacity in every employment which he was capable of undertaking at that time. Under the Act, the employer is not liable to pay compensation if the injury does not result in partial or total disablement of the employee for a period of 3 days or more. Partial disablement is of two types, temporary partial disablement and permanent partial disablement. Temporary partial disablement. This involves disablement of a temporary nature. Means for a certain period only there is a disability to that person, which reduces the employee's earning capacity in an employment in which he was engaged at the time of the accident resulting in the disablement. It does not affect his earning capacity in relation to any other employment, because injury is of temporary nature, so it can be recovered. But when the injury is of permanent nature, means his earning capacity can be reduced. So where the disablement is of a permanent nature, the employee is deemed to suffer the permanent partial disablement if such disablement reduces his earning capacity in every employment which he was capable of earning at that time. So in this video we have seen that what is meant by disablement, in that there are two types, partial and total. In the partial disablement we have seen the where the disablement is of a temporary nature, then of the permanent nature. Then the partial disablement is of two types. Temporary partial disablement means it's a temporary partial disablement, permanent partial disablement.